back to Ziggle Pop Kids Club. Now that we have practiced subtracting from 0, let's try subtracting 1. Remember, when we take away 1, the number gets just a little smaller. Let's try it together. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 11 minus 1 equals 10. 12 minus 1 equals 11. Great job! Every time we subtract 1, the number goes down by just 1 step. You're doing amazing! Now that we know how to subtract 1, let's move on to our next subtraction challenge.